to another new video with Yui, in which I'm here to help you in starting your design or creative journey with the use of free program and tools like Photopea, OpenToons, and more. So, in case you are ready to embrace this journey, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated. For our tutorial for today, I will teach you a method to turn any image you want into pixel. You can also use this method to create any drawing, then turn it into your own special cruiser. I highly recommend you to check this video if you're interested. Are you ready? Then, let's get into it.
Previously on
Yui Design. The tool we'll be using in this tutorial is Photopea. If this is your first time hearing about it, it's a great editing and drawing program which you can access easily and use for free from any web browser. With it open, go ahead and make a new project. To create any pixel art, you can choose any of these sizes to get the best pixely results. Fix your settings the same way I have, then hit create. Our canvas is prepared. Before we start drawing, let's adjust some of our tools. Change your normal brush by holding down the mouse left key to pencil tool. Notice how this tool gives a cleaner lines compared to the brush? Do the same thing for the eraser tool. Click on it, then from the upper menu, Mode, change it from brush to pencil. Since the background is transparent, I like to add some color to it in order to see the details of my art piece better. If your planned drawing has a background, then choose the suitable color from down below the layer panel. Find a half circle to create a solid color fill. Then, to make the pixel art process more smoother, I will add special grid to ease the task. Go to View, Show, then click Pixel Grid. We are almost ready to start drawing. The only thing left for us is to get the reference image that we wish to turn into pixel. Open the image file you want. For me, I want to turn this Genshin Pyro sign icon into pixel. Copy it, then paste it into your project canvas. Use the Move tool to change its size and position. To get the same color as the workpiece, you need to eyedrop the colors and create a color palette. I only have one color, but if you have multiple ones, do eyedrop them and add them on the side of your canvas to have faster access to them. Lower the opacity of the drawing. Then, on top of it, create a new layer. Remember to use the pencil tool for the drawing step. Clicking Alt and scrolling the mouse will help you zoom in and zoom out faster, while the spacebar is for moving around the canvas. Use these shortcuts to make your experience smoother. It helps a lot. Take your time in the color step, and if you need to make your brush smaller, you can do it very easily by the open and close bracket. Shortcuts are the path to lazy productive route. I really recommend you to not only follow the original reference, but to unhide it from time to time to notice if anything requires fixing. You will surprisingly notice that some part would look better if you change them or redraw them in another way. Keep drawing, erasing, and trusting the process. You got this. Ta-da! I have finished my pixel drawing. Since I want this to be a transparent background, I'll hide everything else, leaving my drawing only. Then to save it as an image, go to File, Export As, and choose either PNG for transparent or JPG if you want it to have a normal color background. I will go with PNG for no background option. From this window here, make sure your quality is on max. Hit save and you're done! Congrats on finishing your pixel drawing. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button to help this video reach more and more other people in need. Also, feel free to check out my Ko-fi page, which features tons of game design you can download and use on your devices. Hope you had a fruitful watch. Yui is out.